I think it's been brilliant. It's given me a lot of insight, and I feel I'm developing a lot more than what I have been. How
Hmm.
to, in tune with my spirit guide, about the crystals. The crystal's been amazing. I didn't realize that. The clear crystal.
Yeah.
I've been using that a lot now as well. So it's brought me a lot more confidence.
I believe since you've been on that course, you've been on an amazing spiritual journey.
I never forget that day. I still have my bits and pieces that we done on the course, and yeah, it was amazing. And I definitely recommend it to anyone if you ever do them again, because I learned a lot from it. Especially my confidence was low at the time, but then after 3 years of doing readings and stuff, it built it back up, and yeah, very good.
Yeah. So watch the space. Stephanie was at that psychic development course, I think she mentioned 3 years ago. Since then, she's went on to be a commercial reader herself in her own right. She charges people for that. Not everyone always wants to do that, but quite a few people do, and do it very, very successfully. If you're interested in learning more about the psychic development course, reach out to me, info@michaelhenry.tv, and we will give you the first dibs of the dates. Well, obviously, we're going to keep the numbers low, and it will sell out.
Especially for anyone who's starting out, that sort of learning to trust yourself in the process is like a huge barrier to progressing, I think. So
100%.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of it's complicated because of two things. One, Hollywood movies, this perception of what a psychic's meant to be. And we'll go to Karen. Karen's looking very pensive.
Hi, Michael.
Karen, did you get something out of this 5 weeks?
Oh, I did. Not to second guess myself and go with my gut. First instinct, go with it, because I always get messages, but I couldn't discern my voice from a message.
Okay. Did you get anything out of it yourself, or?
I did, yeah. The last one was very good there. When you were doing the the chakras and
Yes.
the direction, the pointer, or the
pendulum.
What was it called? Yeah,
Yes.
the pendulum. Pendulum was good, yeah.
Yes.
Then to ask you to ask the question, ask it a question that you know the answer to yourself, that kind of way.
Yes, yeah, to calibrate the pendulum. Yes.
Beyond what I've even learned now, do you know what I mean? In my Reiki or my IET, I believe that I do other things that nobody else will be able to do after just doing that training. Yeah.
Okay.